Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Apa. Today I have some bitter melon with me. It is also called bittergourd. So I'm going to make it stir fry it together with some chicken and some fermented beans. Now this dish is we are supposed to it's supposed to be a stew. So you will notice I actually cut my bitter melon a little bit thicker rather than the normal thin slices. Okay, the normal thin slices you need stir fry for a while, then it is done. But this one, I actually purposely cut it a bit thicker. Some actually cut it this thick also, so it really depends on you. Now I have few chicken wings here, cut to bite sizes and also marinated with a bit of light soy sauce and also oyster sauce. Okay, and I have about 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of chopped black fermented bean, and 1 teaspoon of fermented soya bean. So let's start cooking. Alright, we put some oil in cold wok, then heat up the wok. This time I forgot to mention a few slices of ginger. Okay. So first of all, we saute our fresh ingredients. Saute for about a minute or two until the fragrance and aroma really comes out. Then we will add in the chicken. So we come back shortly. Okay, this is after about 1 minute. It is already very fragrant. We can put in the chicken, the marinated chicken with oyster sauce and a bit of light soya sauce. Ooh, super fragrant. You can also eat this dish with white porridge, yeah? It goes very well with white porridge or white rice. Okay, now we can actually put in the bitter melon. Give it a few stir. Let's add in some hot water. A bit more. Like I mentioned just now, this is supposed to be a stew. Okay, you want all your ingredients to be nicely submerged under the gravy. Now we can actually give it some seasoning, some oyster sauce, okay, about 1 tablespoon, a bit of light soy sauce, give it a few stir. Okay, let's bring this to a boil. Then I'm going to cover this with a lid. Then tone down the fire to low medium and let it simmer for at least 15 minutes. Then we come back. Alright, so now it's about 15 minutes simmering under low medium heat. Wow. The smell is very, very fragrant right now. The chicken is definitely fully cooked. And you can see our bitter melon is started to changing color. Okay, that's also a sign of getting cooked as well. Let's do some final seasoning right now. Give it a little bit of salt. Followed by a bit of sugar. Few dash of white pepper. And a little bit, few drops of sesame oil. Okay. Off the fire, I'm going to show you how I display it. I'll serve it. Alright, so here's my chicken and bitter melon stew. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Apa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel and leave a comment below if you like my video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.